Hi everyone, so I'm back again. I wanted to do a hair tutorial today on how to do a messy bun. It's something that I've mastered through the years, and I've discovered the less I think about it, the better it looks. So I'm going to try to do this really quick because this is usually something I do if I'm running late and I got lost in doing makeup and I just need to throw up my hair. So I'm going to do this really fast. All I have here is a little hair tie, a big hair tie, and like 3 bobby pins. Okay, so I'm back. My camera battery was saying it was exhausted, so I'm going to have to do this tutorial really quick. So what I usually do is I pull up my hair, like so, leave out some in the back. And like if I had longer hair, it would be so much easier, but because my hair is short right now, I just pull it up like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. By the way, do you guys think I have an accent? It's been a very interesting topic here recently, if I do or if I don't. A lot of the people where I live now say I have a northern accent, which is strange to me because I'm from the Atlanta area. But hey, whatever. It's interesting. Okay, and now what I'm taking all the leftover hair here in the back. I made like kind of a V section at the top, and then I'm taking the rest of the hair and I'm pulling it up with that little bitty rubber band, and I'm coming in like right behind where that first ponytail is, as close as possible, and I'm flipping that other ponytail into like a bun. And then the first one, I'm just kind of loosening it. Kind of like just moving them around so they're closer together. And we want this to kind of be like loose and messy, but like also secure at the same time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to kind of twist this first ponytail and put a bobby pin to cover the rubber band. And I'm going to take the second tail and kind of fold that around the second bun in the back, and securing it with a bobby pin. Y'all, it is so hot outside today. I have to wear my hair up. It is like hotter than the blazes of, whew, hotter than I could have ever imagined it to be. It's like humid and it's only like 10 a.m. or something like that. Yeah. Alright. And I only wanted to use like 3 bobby pins. Anything more seems excessive. This should be like a quick hairstyle. So we're going to leave that like that. And these little pieces of hairs that are falling out in the back, what I'm going to do is I am going to kind of, I'm going to braid them. I don't think y'all can even see what I'm doing, but I'm just braiding them really quick. Braiding them like ensures that they don't like go like flying out as if I were to just bobby pin them as is. And I'm going to pull them up and then use the last bobby pin to secure it. And I'm just going to pull out any hairs that are around my face. Alright, and that's it. Kind of a messy bun. Don't overthink it. Just do it and go. Yeah, really simple style. Hope you guys like this short tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.